Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our high clearance front bumper for the latest generation Toyota Tundra. This one product is going to add several features to your Tundra. First and foremost are aggressive good looks. It's hard to deny that. Next up, improved approach angle. By bringing this point up, we add a significant addition of clearance to the front of the Tundra. The option to add LED lighting and the addition of a hidden winch. And finally, much needed front recovery points. The high clearance front bumper is designed to flow exactly with the Tundra's body lines, giving a seamless transition between our bumper and the factory front fascia. The outer structure of the bumper is 11 gauge steel, and the inner structure, as well as the winch mount, is 7 gauge. And of course, it's all coated with a heavy duty matte black powder coat for years of service. We also have accommodation for your factory front parking sensors, but if your model didn't have that option, like ours didn't, we supply smoked LED marker lights to round out the package. So if you're looking to set your Tundra apart, gain tons of clearance, and add the options for LED lighting as well as front recovery, you're looking for our high clearance front bumper. Available today at roughcountry.com.